first movie, okay? So, how was the movie?
I think for first shot, when you don't have any experience, you never studied in the university or you don't have any experience in the industry, I think it's very good. I think the more you're going to experience yourself and you're going to work very well experience already, you will grow very fast.
Yeah, because for me, no, I want the feedback from the audience, no, because the audience can criticize, and from that we can we can improve ourselves, no.
Audience is one thing, one opinion.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a feedback from audience, but also it's better to have a feedback from people who has experience how to shoot movie.
Yeah, both.
I studied movie, I know how to shoot movie, and I think you are very great for the first experience, really, truly.
Okay. Thank you. And thank you very much.
It's
Thank
true.
you so much for your feedback. He is what to say? He's like my pillar. Recommend so like I am. That's long the other guys. Nggak, aku memang mau makan di Jepang malam sekarang malam sebagai mana deh? Adi udah keren adi itu. Siapa yang mau kumna ngasih bola? One line itu. All
इसको डालो इधर और इसको भी डालो थोड़ा इसको भी डालो